Anytime you can feed 4 or 5 people for under $10, you have done something in this economy. Randy and I would like to welcome you to our channel, and I'd like to welcome you to my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. For under $10, you can absolutely feed 4 to 5 people, and it tastes really good. It's called a Georgia sausage pie, and let's get started. All right, you're going to need that 1 pound of sausage. You can either use regular sausage or hot, whichever one you prefer. 1 can of tomatoes. Now, I can these tomatoes, but it's still a can of tomatoes. 1 can of drained whole kernel corn. It does need to be whole kernel. Like 3 tablespoons of minced onion. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it for your filling. And then to make your topping, which is a biscuit topping, which makes it just over the top, you need 1.5 cups of milk, just regular milk, 1.5 cups of butter, and 1.5 cups of self-rising flour this time. We are going to use self-rising flour. That's all your ingredients. That is well under $10. It's probably only around like 7. All right. First thing we're going to do is start putting our filling together. We're going to cook that sausage in my brand new, not new cast iron pan. Randy cleaned it for me, and then we re-seasoned it. Y'all, that is slick as glass. Wonderful. Now we're going to get this open, if I can get it open. There we go. Now it's going to open. Let's get that open while my pan's getting hot, as I do want that pan hot before I put the sausage in there. I'm having a devil of a time. Here we go. Alright. In the pan we go. Make sure you get all that meat out of there. Alright. There we go. Get it all out of there. Now we're going to break that up. See what I meant about that glass? Look at that. Oh man, that is just makes my heart sing. Okay, and then we're going to get that into really little crumbles, so don't take a few minutes. I'm sure you don't want to watch me do that all that much. You know, sausage is not just relegated to being breakfast food. There are lots and lots of recipes that you can make sausage with in the evening. And with meat prices the way they are, and sausage is still relatively inexpensive, that's a way to go. That's absolutely a way to stretch that dollar and make it to the end of the week without having to, you know, go meatless, which is, you know, a lot of people now are having to do just because it's so expensive. All right, we are almost done. There's only just a little bit of pink left in here. So now I'm going to take that 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to get a little bit everywhere. We're going to go ahead and put that teaspoon of sugar in there. And that teaspoon of salt. And our 3 tablespoons of minced onion. And we're just going to give that a good stir and finish cooking that sausage. Okay, now that I've got that mixed around real good and my flour doesn't have that floury flavor, now we're going to add our tomatoes. Hear that nice sizzle? Yes, love that sizzle. Gonna give that a good stir now. See what that flour did now is it's gonna make like a thick tomato gravy kind of thing. And now we're gonna add that can of drained corn. Oop, did I get them all? Yep, okay. Give that a little stir. And then we're gonna turn the oven down to low. And we're just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes while I get my biscuit batter ready. All right, you need to melt that 1.5 sticks of butter. So I'm just gonna do that right here on the stove so it won't take me very long. I'm just gonna drop that right in there, and as soon as it gets melted enough to mix, then we'll make our batter. Now it's 1.5 cups of flour. I am using self-rising. 1.5 cups of milk. 1.5 sticks of butter. Give that a good mix, and it's going to be really runny. It's supposed to be runny. You don't have to get it super, you know, if there's a lump or two in there, it's not the end of the world. In fact, you're probably not going to get them all out. And it's going to look just like that. Just, well, maybe not quite like that. Let's get a little more than that. We don't need dry flour, but just kind of like that. Lumpy, slumpy. Okay. Now, to be sure I don't stick, I'm going to spray this pan. You can use olive oil, or you can rub a little butter, or you can just leave it and mess with the sticky stuff. Now we're going to take that hamburger and turn that eye off. Get that one last little stir. Move this out of the way so that I don't make a mess. Okay, I'm gonna take this heavy pan and try to get it in there without dropping it. I want all the goodness I can get. I don't like leaving anything in the pan. We're gonna lay that out nice and even. And we're gonna pour that batter just as even. All across the pan. All right, now we're going to put that in a 425-degree oven for between 20 and 25 minutes. That's all we're going to do.
What happened? I'll see you in 25 minutes.
Oh. That's all I want to do. 25 minutes. Look at that. one awesome dinner on the way. Taste test time. Here we go.
Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge. Well, look what we got here, little missy.
You John Wayne tonight?
You remember that?
Yeah.
That's cool. I love me some John Wayne. Okay, well, I got me a little bit of Tammy's biscuit. I got me a little bit of that sausage mixture with everything else in there. Let's give it a shot. That was a little warm.
I thought it was hot.
Yeah.
You just saw me take it out of the oven.
Well, I thought it sat for, long enough, but, it didn't. But it's okay. I survived. No, but that's some good stuff, Tammy. That really is good. Like she said, don't be afraid to have sausage for dinner.
Yeah. That's a meal in one. You got your veggies, you got your meat, you got your biscuit, done inside of 45 minutes.
Especially when you can get a pound of sausage for $2.98.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, we went Super Saver Wednesday up there at Food Giant. We actually got hamburgers.
Yeah, for $2.99 a pound.
$73.27, $2.99 a pound. But of course, you guys know that because you saw the grocery haul video, right?
You haven't put it out.
It's going out tonight. It's going out
Oh.
tomorrow.
Oh.
It's going out before this.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Isn't she silly?
See y'all in the next video. Bye.
Hasta la vista, baby. I'll be back.